Hello students, let's continue your first chapter in history. So students, today's topic is art of sculpture. It has three parts: art of pottery, carving and seals. Sculpture. How does it look? This is called sculpture. Let me show you this. This is sculpture. Your next topic is art of pottery. The Indus Valley potters have known quite well the use of potter's wheel. With its help, they produce articles of different shapes and designs. Now next is carving. The Indus Valley people were good in art of carving also. Their carving are excellent and look realistic. They made these figures in ivory, soapstone, leather, wood with great artistic skills. Carving, as they have carved this sculpture. Your next topic is seals. Seals is a device or making an impression in wax, clay, paper or some other medium. This we call seals. They are excavated from Mohenjo-daro. Social and economic life of the people of Indus Valley. Social means society where they used to live, and economic life means money. Economic life, money, where they used to get money, earning, where they used to earn the money. Dress and ornaments. The Indus Valley people were the first in the world to spin cotton and woolen yarn. Needles and buttons have also been found there. Cotton clothes were in common use, while wool was used in winter. Next one is, and one more thing I want to tell you, men, their dress sense. Men kept short beards and whiskers. Whiskers means a long projected hair. Men and women, rich or poor, wore ornaments. The rich made ornaments of gold, silver, ivory and semi-precious stones, while poor made ornaments made of terracotta shell and copper. Your next topic is food. The people of Indus Valley ate barley and wheat. Beside these, milk and milk product, fruits, fresh vegetables, fish and meat were also taken by them as item of their food. Now occupations. Agriculture was the most important occupation of the people of Indus Valley, but also domestication of animals was another occupation of the people. These were another occupations were also there in their society, like carpenters, goldsmith, jewelers. Blacksmith means who makes the tools of made of iron. Okay, tools made by iron. They were called who make it blacksmith. They are called blacksmiths. Potters, toy makers, weavers. These were some another occupation of their society. Now occupations I have explained. Now trade and commerce. Trade and commerce were flourishing occupation of the merchant class, people in the Indus Valley society. They would import precious stones. Precious stones means like diamond, rubies. These types of precious stone they used to import. Import means things when we bring things from another country. Now play and amusements. Indus Valley people, they used to care for children also. A large number of dices. Dices, they look like this. This we call it dices. As you play Ludo, that time do you use? That is called dice. Okay. Now, these shows that dicing and gambling was the favorite game of these people. This, is it looking like a chess? Okay. Children's toy include whistles, toy cart, marbles, toy animals with movable head, a toy bird on wheels, and a monkey. Toy bird, this. Next one is religion of the Indus Valley people. Religion of the Indus Valley people. We will continue this topic in next video. That's all for the day. I request you all once again to purchase the book so that you can revise the chapter after watching this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.